Have you ever wondered how a country that once remained hidden from the world's gaze has now become the king of the electric vehicle world? Today, we will take you on a journey where, at every turn, a story of strategy, technology, and indomitable spirit awaits. This is the story of China's new energy vehicles, NEVs, a mysterious and mind-shaking tale that will keep you hooked till the very end. So come, let us begin this unheard saga. Dreams are not what come during sleep, but those that inspire you even while you're awake. While the world was engulfed in petrol fumes, China quietly chose a new path. They nurtured a dream within, a dream not just to spark a technological revolution, but to carve their identity in the global market. Today, more than 50% of the world's electric cars run on China's roads. And behind this astonishing success lies years of hard work, strategy, and the brilliance of thought. Even the smallest experiments lay the foundation for great change. Step by step, yet constantly, China refined its technological abilities and pushed forward its grand plan. This is the story of a nation's confidence, a nation that has etched a unique identity into the world's eyes. The year was 2009, when China placed its bet on the future. The government invested more than $230 billion. This wasn't just about money, it was part of a full-fledged strategy, the first step of a long-term plan. This investment gave wings to those dreams which had only existed in thought. By 2023, China not only strengthened its grip on the domestic market but established its identity across the world. But this story isn't just about money, it's about courage, vision, and unshakable belief. China's leaders not only offered financial aid, but took bold steps in research and development, which redefined the entire industry. With every investment, a new hope rose, a new chapter unfolded. In 2022 came a turning point, one that made the world bow its gaze. China exported 1.2 million NEVs, an unexpected 60% rise compared to the previous year. BYD, NIO, Xpeng, these names are no longer just companies. They have become empires writing new chapters in the global automotive industry. This rapid rise proves how solid China's strategy truly was, never compromising on quality, innovation, or reliability. But, will this speed last? Can other global powers stand firm before this rising force? These questions and mysteries await you in the chapters ahead, where along with exports, new market challenges and opportunities unfold. When we talk about electric vehicles, it's not just about low price, but about technical excellence. And China understood this perfectly. Advanced battery technology, attractive designs, cutting-edge AI, all these together have set a benchmark that even Western giants like Ford and GM find hard to match. This is the magic of technology, which not only gives cars a new form, but also brings revolutionary changes to how they run. Look closely and you'll see, China has mastered its R&D so deeply that today its technological quality is praised across the globe. This is the story of a new tech revolution, one that's poised to reshape the world's map. When the US imposed a 102.5% tariff, Europe 45%, and Canada 100%, everyone believed China's progress would halt. But China, facing this challenge, set up factories in Mexico, and began sending cars to the US without any tariffs. This was cleverness, a new definition of strategy. Crossing tariff walls, China found new routes to deliver its products globally. This strategy proved that to face challenges, you need not just technology but also wit and foresight. This is a story where every twist reveals glimpses of strategy and confidence. When the West closed its doors, China turned its eyes toward Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America. By stepping into new markets, they didn't just expand their product range, they embraced new opportunities and challenges. This strategic diversification shows how vast and visionary China's plan is. Their cars are now reaching every corner of the world, and every new market leads to a new challenge. and a new victory. This isn't just a story about trade, it's a strategic war where every market becomes a battleground for victory. Each new challenge writes a new success story. In today's world, the power of technological revolution is immense. AI, 5G, battery tech, semiconductors, these have given China a lead on every front. Despite restrictions and challenges, China strengthened its capabilities, tried new experiments, and kept alive the fire of innovation that pushes them forward. This tech revolution isn't just reshaping the present, it is about to change the future map itself. Will this innovation rewrite the rules of the global game? That is the question that future chapters compel us to ponder. When the West imposed tariffs, China struck back, without hesitation. Anti-dumping cases on European products, a halt on rare earth material supplies, this was not just a counterstrike but a war of strength and strategy. This struggle shows that when you understand your power and strategy, you can face any external aggression without fear. This is not just a market war, but a test of global power balance. Who will dominate whom? This question still remains open. The Belt and Road Initiative didn't just shrink distances, it opened new paths to global markets and resources. China made new friends, built new alliances, and expanded its trade network far and wide. These alliances aren't just about business partnerships, they reflect a new mindset, a new power that has redrawn the map of global trade. When you connect with the world, even challenges turn into opportunities. This is a tale of cooperation, friendship, and global trade, where every step forward points toward a new triumph. Now let's talk about the future. What will the world look like by 2030? Experts believe that China could capture 80% of the electric market. Quantum computing, solar-powered vehicles, and new discoveries, these are not just imaginations, but integral parts of China's concrete plans. This prediction not only hints at technological breakthroughs but also suggests a new chapter in the global power structure. Every figure, every forecast here leads us to a new era, one where the battle between technology, power, and strategy reaches its peak. Can the West withstand this changing landscape? This is the mystery that will redefine the map of tomorrow. So far, you've seen how China rose to inscribe its name in the heartbeat of the world, how it faced challenges, how it revolutionized technology. But the real question still lingers: will the West stick to its old ways? Or will this battle soar to unimaginable heights? This suspense, this mystery forces us to think, are we ready for this new world? The West imposed tariffs, built walls, but China not only faced them, it carved its mark across the globe through innovation, strategy, and confidence. Factories in Mexico, new technologies, international alliances, these are not just signs of trade success, they're a redefinition of global power balance. By 2025, 76% market growth, 90% domestic supply chain, and cutting-edge innovations, all shaping a world where power, technology, and strategy clash at their peak. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, so you never miss such thrilling mysteries. Every like, every comment tells us how excited you are for this new era. Next time, we'll return with a new story, a new mystery. Until then, think, question, and form your opinion on this changing world map. Thank you. This isn't just the story of China's NEVs, it's a deep tale of global power shifts, technological innovation, and future challenges. It forces us to think, will the map of the future remain the same, or will new challenges and new players take over? In this endless journey, every moment of mystery and suspense will hold you tight and leave behind one powerful question: are you ready for the new